The pyramid of Cheops in Egypt has a height of 145 meters and has base lengths of 430 meters. Find the angle between a sloping edge and the base diagonal. Right, let's try and draw us a pyramid. So, something like that. We've got a height of 145 and base lengths of 230. So 230, 230, this here is 145. And let's get some labels on this. Let's just go A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so get another colour. So, find the angle between a sloping edge and a base diagonal. Right, so this is a diagonal along the base, and we can use this as one of our sloping edges. At the moment, I know neither, but I'm going to need to find this angle, so eventually I need to end up with enough information on the triangle F, E, B. Do I know anything? Oh yeah, I do. I know. Let's do another colour. I do know that this is 1, 4, 5. So one more bit of information and I'll be good to go. Right, so EB should be fairly straightforward to find. If I look at the triangle, which way around should I draw it? Doesn't matter. If I look at the triangle from E to A to B with a right angle at E. So can you just see in here, if there's a square base, then these diagonals are at right angles. This length and this length are the same. A to B is 230. Right, so let's call that x, and say that x squared add x squared equals 230. 2x squared equals, 230 squared equals 230 squared. Let's do that. 230 times 230, and yeah, let's put that in. Let's put that in here. Okay, so 2x squared equals 52900. X squared then, let's divide that by 2. X squared is 26450, which means that x is the square root of 26450. Is that going to be a nice number? Probably not. Let's have a look though anyway. Okay, let's just stick with this one. So this is x, this is the length from E to B. That means down here, this is the square root of 26450. I want to work out this angle. Let's call it angle theta. Okay, so I've got a right angle triangle. I'm working out an angle. That tells me that I need to be thinking about SOHCAHTOA, and I have the side opposite the angle and the side that is adjacent next to the angle. The one I don't have is the longest one, the hypotenuse, so I need to use this SOA. So tan theta equals the opposite one, 145, divided by the adjacent one, root 2645. Let's just do that on here. 140, sorry, not 140, 145, divided by the square root of 26450 is that, and I know that the angle then is the inverse tan of 145 divided by root 26450. So if I now inverse tan this, second my answer. Let's just be careful here. I think my calculator's still in radians. It is indeed. Make sure in degrees. Yours always should be. Enter. No, I can't be in. Sorry. Let's mode. I'm still in radians. I didn't change it. Enter. Right. Second, quit. Why is this being rubbish? There we go. If I just press enter again, that does the inverse tan, and my answer is 36.1 degrees to 3 significant figures.